Enough fighting, apologize immediately, and behave like mature students. You will regret this humiliation very soon. This is not funny! Stop this prank and let me out! I feel thirsty, tired, and extremely weak. I should not have trusted those jealous boys.
I must investigate immediately before calling police.
Is anyone inside this building at night?
Theo, your homework is perfect and very impressive today.
Thank you, ma'am. I practiced carefully and revised every answer.
You are focused, responsible, and always prepared for class.
He always tries to look better than everyone. Teachers treat him special and ignore the rest of us. I just try my best and respect everyone equally. Stop pretending you are innocent. We know your tricks. Why are you always first place and acting so humble? I study every night sincerely and complete my assignments honestly. We are tired of your perfect behavior and constant praise.
Enough fighting, apologize immediately, and behave like mature students. You will regret this humiliation very soon.
Theo, the principal wants you inside the main hall urgently. Hey, Will? Is something wrong with the competition results or my project? He sounded serious and said, "You must come alone." Huh? All right, I will go quickly and return soon. Sir, I am here as you requested. Maybe he stepped outside briefly and will return. Why did the doors close so loudly behind me? Who locked the door suddenly? Please open it immediately! Ugh! This is not funny! Stop this prank and let me out! Please open the door! I am trapped inside this hall! Someone hear me and respond, because I am alone! My school bus will leave soon, and my mother will worry. My battery is only 5%. This is dangerous. Mom, please answer quickly because I am scared. The signal is very weak and the call disconnected. Mom, I am locked at school hall. I am locked inside the school hall. The message failed to send, and my phone died. Now I have no connection and no support. Stay calm, Leo. Think carefully and find a solution. Maybe I can escape through the emergency exit door. The alarm is too loud and frightening! If police arrive, they may think I am criminal. Maybe I can climb outside through that tall window. Careful, Theo. Move slowly and balance properly. I slipped and hurt my knee badly. This pain is sharp and very uncomfortable. I cannot give up. I must try again bravely. Every door is locked tightly from outside. The cold air and strange sounds scare me. Maybe I can use this wire to reach latch. Come on, Theo. Focus and aim carefully. Nothing works and everything fails tonight. I feel thirsty, tired, and extremely weak.
Leo always arrives before sunset and never stays late.
Driver, where is my son and why is he missing?
He was not on the bus when I checked.
He never misses his ride, and this is unusual. My heart feels restless and deeply worried.
Maybe I will have to stay here all night. What if my mother thinks something terrible happened? I should not have trusted those jealous boys. I am truly scared and losing hope slowly.
There is strange movement inside the main hall camera. I must investigate immediately before calling police.
Is anyone inside this building at night?
Is someone finally there to help me?
Show yourself clearly and do not be afraid.
What happened here, and why are you alone?
Some boys tricked me and locked me inside deliberately.
How long have you been trapped here?
Since school ended and everyone left the campus.
You are shaking badly and look exhausted.
I almost lost all hope and felt helpless.
You were brave to keep trying repeatedly.
Something feels terribly wrong and I cannot relax.
Madam, your son is safe and coming home.
Thank God, I was terrified and anxious. Theo! Where have you been all evening? I was locked inside the school hall by classmates. I searched everywhere and imagined worst possibilities.
I tried everything to escape, but failed repeatedly.
You must always inform teachers before going anywhere alone.
I trusted the wrong people and learned lesson tonight.
You are strong, courageous, and very resilient.
What would you do if you were trapped alone? Would you panic immediately or keep trying bravely? Tell me honestly in the comments below.